It is my great pleasure to introduce to you our resource speaker this morning. He is a graduate, a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in entrepreneurship of this university, earned units in real estate, and diploma in urban and regional planning at University of the Philippines, Visayas, Iloilo City. He is a highly respected professional in the field of real estate marketing, development, sustainable planning, and client-centered investment solutions. He is a passionate and purpose-driven real estate professional with over 18 years of experience in entrepreneurship, real estate brokerage, and urban planning. A licensed environmental planner, licensed real estate broker, and a financial advisor. We are fortunate to have him with us today to share insights which I'm sure will be both inspiring and informative. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm welcome to our resource speaker, the founder and CEO of Ifelneur Realty Solutions, Mr. L. Leo Dimamay.
To our Associate Dean, Professor Jaime Espanola Jr., to our Head of BS Entrepreneurship, Ma'am Tuitams Bo Arzaga, to my classmate, Ma'am Bibet Domingo, and to all the faculty members, parents, graduating student of college and business management, to all the guests from Compass, visitors, and my staff from Ifelneur Realty Solutions, good morning. Thank you so much for an invitation and that warm welcome. It's always an honor to return to my alma mater, not just to speak, but to reflect, reconnect, and hopefully reignite something in each of you today. From student to change maker, an alumni's guide to success in business, innovation, technology, and sustainability. I often wondered, what does success really look like? Will I ever be ready? If you are ever felt that way, I want you to know you are not alone. Today, I want to share a journey, not one marked only by achievement, but by decision, detours, and defining moments. This is a story about how a student become a change maker and how you can too. This talk isn't just about me, it's about possibility. It's about how what you are learning today, inside and outside the classroom, can shape not just your career, but your contribution to the world. The world is evolving rapidly. Technology is transforming how we live and work. Sustainability isn't becoming the bottom line. Innovation isn't a nonsense, it's a survival. And business is no longer just about profit, it's about purpose. And guess what? All of that is in your hands. Business with purpose. Let's start with business. Because many of you are taking up business administration, hospitality management, and local government administration. In the past, success in business was measured by one thing: profit. Today, that's no longer enough. Modern business is about solving real-world problems. It's about value creation, not just for shareholders, but for communities, employees, and the environment. When I started my real estate company venture, I had one goal: build something that provides solutions in the real estate industry. I quickly learned that customers respond not just to our product, but to our why. They want to know, what do we stand for? What changes are we driving? To take brands like Apple iPhone or Ford Motors, they didn't rise simply because they didn't solve products. They grow because they represented a mission. So whatever business you are in, ask yourself, what value I am adding beyond the transaction? Build something that has heart, not just a hustle. Innovation is a mindset. I was once a student here, uncertain, hopeful, and full of questions. And while I still don't have all the answers, I learned this. Success is not a linear. You'll have doubts, you'll make mistakes, you'll face setbacks. But what matters is this: keep moving, keep learning, keep growing, and focus what you want to be 10 years from now. From student to change maker, that's not just a journey I made. It's a journey each of you can begin right here and right now. So dream boldly, act wisely, lead with courage, because the future doesn't belong to the best title or the biggest paycheck. It belongs to those willing to build it with vision, compassion, and purpose.
During this 9th day of week 20, DSH